Hey guys, welcome to the fifth episode of Ball, Board and Bundesliga. Bayern Munich would look to strengthen their case for the Bundesliga title with a win over Leverkusen on Saturday, but I think Leverkusen away would be their toughest challenge since the Bundesliga's restart. In this video, I'll explain why. The number one reason is Kai Havertz. He has been the most talked about German talent this year, alongside Timo Werner. While Werner seems to have secured a move away from the Bundesliga, Havertz will be the sole focus of all the top European clubs for the remainder of this season. The versatile attacker scored Leverkusen's only goal in the 1-0 win over Freiburg and would unarguably be the biggest threat for Bayern on Saturday. He has 6 goals in his last 4 matches in the Bundesliga, and these stats do speak of the sort of form he's in at the moment. The attacking talent at Leverkusen's disposal is phenomenal. Other than Havertz, they also have players like Leon Bailey, Karim Demirbay, Musa Diaby, Karim Bellarabi, Kevin Volland, and Lucas Alario. Volland and Alario are fully fit, but they've only been warming the bench because of the goal scoring threat Havertz provides when he gets to play at the number 9 position. While he deserves to get the plaudits whenever Leverkusen grab all 3 points, there are many other attacking talents in the team that Bayern need to be wary of. One of them is Moussa Diaby. The Frenchman was signed from PSG last summer and is already being seen as one of the brightest young forwards in Germany. He was absolutely breathtaking in Leverkusen's 4-1 win over Werder Bremen, giving 2 assists. His pace is something that Jerome Boateng would especially be need to wary of if he starts for Bayern at this weekend, of course. Across all competitions this season, he has 5 goals and 8 assists. Not bad for a 20-year-old, isn't it? Kerem Demirbay. Demirbay hasn't been talked about much this season, but he has been one of the most important players on the pitch for Leverkusen. He was one of the top players who attracted attention from several clubs with his performances in the 2017 Confederations Cup that Germany won. Leverkusen then snapped onto him from Hoffenheim last summer, and he has since slotted in the central midfield seamlessly. He has 8 assists in all competitions this season and is often seen as the creative brain behind the attacking power that Leverkusen possesses. Leon Bailey. If Havertz has been converting chances, Leon Bailey deserves a lot of credit for unlocking defenses. The Jamaican has even been termed as a Manchester City target as a Leroy Sané replacement who looks set to wear the Bayern shirt next season. The 22-year-old can use both his feet and is incredibly skillful. His pace and ball control will be key to Leverkusen's chances against Bayern, especially on the counter. Karim Bellarabi. Statistically speaking, there's been no better assist provider at Leverkusen this season. Bellarabi's passes have led to 8 goals this season in the Bundesliga and 12 overall. He was on the bench in the last game against Freiburg, but is likely to start against Bayern. With him, Havertz, and Bailey up top, Bayern are expected to have a lot of trouble. Leverkusen also have the likes of Kevin Volland and Lucas Alario on the bench, who can also decide the game on their own. Remember, Bayern were beaten in their last 2 encounters with Leverkusen. With Saturday's match taking place at Bayer Arena, I am of the opinion that Leverkusen will be a bigger challenge for Bayern than Dortmund. Do let me know of your views. And do not forget to like and subscribe.